that when the lines that make an angle is and equal. Then, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, there the sum. Okay, if we have two adjacent angles, which yan, na kung saan yung sum ng A and angle B, or they are supplementary, ibig sabihin, angle A plus angle B is 180 degrees. Then, yung exterior sides daw nila forms a straight line. As you can see naman, no? Kasi 180 degrees yan, and 180 degrees is a straight line, or a straight angle. So, yung exterior sides, or the sides ng angles A and B that is not common to those two angles, magpo-form yan ng straight line. Kasi straight angle nga po yung 180 degrees. And since yung sum ng AB ay 180 degrees, then, because they are supplementary, their exterior sides are on this. Ito yung exterior sides. Ito yung exterior side ni A, and then ito yung exterior side ni B. Magpo-form yan ng 180 degrees since mula dito at saka dito, 180 degrees. Okay? Okay. Malinaw. Very basic. If two adjacent angles have their exterior sides in the same straight line, they are supplementary. So ito is other way naman ng pag-state nung itong two adjacent angles. Parang kabaliktaran naman siya. But they have the same meaning, which means that a straight line is 180 degrees, and kapag meron tayong angle na dalawa dito, the exterior lines form a straight lines, or angle A and angle B is supplementary with each other, or supplementary angles. So these two statements are the same, or directs to a single principle, or same principle. Yeah, okay. Now we go to the preliminary theorems, or theorems in inequalities of a triangle, or inequalities in a triangle. So sabi dito, if one side of a triangle is produced, the angle thus formed is called an exterior angle. Ano po ba yung exterior angle na tinatawag natin? So, kung meron kang triangle, tapos in-extend mo, or produce, or prinolong yung isang side na lumagpas na siya dun sa triangle, then yung angle na yun, angle na ma-form, just for this example, angle 1 here is an exterior angle of the triangle. Nasa labas, exterior. Siyempre, yung mga interior angles, ito yon, angle A, angle B, angle C. So, makakapag-form ka ng exterior angle kapag pre-reduce, pre-nulong, and extend mo yung isang side such that nasa labas na siya ng triangle. Kaya exterior angle. Yung na-form na angle. So, definition lang yan ng exterior angle. Is greater than C. Okay, parang ano lang to. Para mas maintindihan nyo. Okay. Kung si Ana ay mas malaki, sabihin na natin yung angle or yung measurement ng 90 is yung height nila kay Bona, at si Bona ay kasing height lang or mas mababa pa, or kasing height lang or mas matangkad kay Kara, ibig sabihin si Ana ay mas matangkad kay Kara. A is greater than C. Or pwede rin namang if si Ana ay kasing tangkad ni Bona, or mas matangkad si Ana kay Bona, at si Bona ay mas mas maliit kay, si Bona ay mas matangkad kay Kara, obviously, si Ana ay mas matangkad kay Kara. So, parang ganun lang. If a line segment or angle A is greater than, then A is greater than, A are unequal, then yung opposite sides nila ay unequal din. So, if the greater angle being opposite the greater side. So, kunwari, itong angle na B at si A ay hindi equal, ibig sabihin, yung sides opposite din niya, yung CB at si CA ay hindi rin equal. And yung mas malaking angle, siya yung mas malaki dapat na, opposite siya sa mas malaking sides or side. So, i-prove natin ito. So, pipili tayo ng point kay, sabihin natin that, i-assume muna natin that in a triangle ABC, si AC ay greater than BC. Okay? Given yan. Given that AC is greater than BC dito sa triangle, dito sa right. Okay? I-prove daw natin that triangle ABC or this angle is greater than angle A, this angle. Okay. Since si AC ay mas malaki sa BC. Okay. Show that angle ABC is greater than angle A. Okay. Paano natin gagawin yan? Una, okay, I will choose a point D on CA in such a way that CD is equal to CB. So, dito, CD is equal to CB. So, dyan sa triangle po natin, CD equals CB. Pinili ko si D bilang isang point sa loob ni CA na kung saan magiging equal si CD at si CB. Okay? From here, nangyari, dahil opposite or dalawa, makakapag-form tayo ng triangle CDB na kung saan dalawa yung sides niya ay equal in length. And kapag equal yung dalawang sides, anong ibig sabihin nun? Isosceles yung triangle natin. And na-prove natin on the previous lesson na kapag isosceles triangle yan with two equal sides, the angles opposite the equal sides are also equal. So, yung angle natin na CDB ay equal lang din sa angle natin na DBC. Right? So, yung angle na DBC, kasi isosceles yan ay equal sa angle na CDB. Okay? Pero mapapansin natin na yung angle na angle na ABC, ito yun, itong buong angle na to, angle ABC, ay mas malaki kesa dun sa angle na nandito, BBC. Tama ba? Okay, and also, mapapansin Equal, unequal din yung angles nila or yung angle, yung sides or yung angles opposite to those sides. Being na yung mas malaking side ay opposite ng mas malaking angle. Yung mas maliit na side, opposite ng mas maliit na angle. That is the theory for unequal sides of a triangle and their respective opposite angles. Another theorem, if two angles of a triangle are unequal, the sides opposite them are unequal too, and the greater side being opposite. So ito is parang yung kaninang triangle din, or yung kaninang theorem. Pero this time, ang ipoprove naman natin is yung sides naman. Ipoprove natin na mas malaki naman yung side. Kanina, pinove natin na yung mas malaki yung angles kapag mas malaki yung side opposite the angle. Ngayon, ipoprove natin na mas malaki yung side opposite the angle given na yung angles ay mas malaki. So, ang given sa atin is angle B is greater than angle A dito. And small a, B, C, yun yung sides. Okay. I-prove daw natin na yung side niya, prove naman, this time i-prove naman natin na yung side B ay mas malaki sa side A. Okay. So, paano natin yun i-prove? In comparing two sides ng triangle, tatlo lang naman yung pwedeng mangyari, di ba? It's either equal yung sides nila or mas maliit si B kay A given na mas malaki yung angle ni B kay A, and either si B naman ang mas malaki kay side na A. Okay, sorry. Ang given sa atin dito, dapat prove natin na mas malaki yung side B kay A given that angle B is greater than angle A. Okay. So yun nga, tatlo lang yung pwede nating puntahan when we compare sides. No, it's either equal, less than, or greater than. Kapag equal siya, magkakaroon tayo ng isosceles triangle. And kapag isosceles triangle, equal dapat si angle B kay angle A. Right? And hindi naman equals, yun yung given natin, hindi naman equal si angle B kay angle A. So, hindi pwedeng mangyari na mag-equal si B kay A. Kapag side B is less than A naman, yung proof natin is yung prove natin kanina, kung unequal siya at mas maliit si B kay A, based dun sa prove natin a while ago sa previous slide, dapat si B ay less than angle A. Ano ba yan? Nagkakahalo na yung mga symbols natin. So, dapat, okay, using yung proof natin or yung theorem natin kanina before this one, sabi diba dun kanina, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, yung angles opposite these sides are also unequal, and yung mas malaking side, siya yung mas malaking angle. Yung mas maliit na side, siya yung merong mas maliit na angle opposite them. And since binigyan tayo ng unequal sides for this, wherein si B ay mas maliit kay A, using the theorem before or before this one, dapat si angle B ay mas maliit din kay angle A. Diba? Kaso ang given, hindi. Si angle B ang mas malaki kay angle A. So, hindi rin pwedeng mangyari itong pangalawang option. Therefore, since tatlo lang yung pwedeng option and yung dalawang option is hindi na pwedeng mangyari, isa na lang talaga yung pwedeng mangyari. That is, B is less than, or B is greater than A. And yun, na-prove mo na If two angles of a triangle are unequal, the sides opposite them are unequal, and the greater side being opposite the greater angle. Ganun lang siya kadali. So, yung tawag mo dito sa ginawa natin pag-prove or yung argument natin kanina ay tinatawag nating proof by exclusion. Para siyang pag nagsasagot ka ng multiple choice question, elimination method. So parang you have all the options. Ang gagawin mo is i-disprove mo lahat ng options except sa isa. Hanggang sa isa na lang matira. And dahil na-disprove mo na hindi pwedeng mangyari yung ibang cases or yung possible option, isa na lang yung pwedeng mangyari, which is yung in-exclude mo nga. Which should be your hypothesis. And by that, na-prove mo na tama yung hypothesis. So, ang tawag po natin doon is proof by exclusion. So, other theorems pa tayo. Moving on. So, naabot na natin yung theorems sa parallel lines naman. Okay. Let's define muna what are parallel lines. So, dalawang transversal line. Okay, before that pala. Hindi pa pala definition ng parallel line, sorry. Kung meron tayong straight line which cuts two other straight lines, ang tawag natin dun sa kumate is transversal. Kagaya nito. So, yung transversal natin is yung nag-iisang line na kumate sa dalawang two straight lines. So, ito po yung transversal line. And these two are yung kanyang kinat. So, okay. And makakapag-form tayo ng mga iba't ibang angle. As you can see naman, very clear naman dun sa figure. So, una na dyan, yung tinatawag nating alternate interior angles. So, nasan po yung alternate interior angles? Nasa loob, tapos alternate. So, itong angle 4 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. So, pares yan, angle 4 and angle 5. Also, angle 3 and 6. Angle 3 and angle 6 are also alternate interior angles. Alternate kasi baiktaran sila, then interior, nasa loob sila ng figure or ng sa loob na sides ng dalawang straight lines. Yan. Inside part, interior part, di ba? Ito yung interior part. Ito yung exterior part. Yan. Kaya sila tinawag na alternate interior angles. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na alternate exterior. So, magkasunod pero sa labas. So, we have 2 and 7 alternate exterior angles, and also alternate exterior angles din yung 1 and 8. So, magkabaliktaran, alternate, tapos nasa labas mo dalawang straight lines. So, alternate exterior angles. Sino pa yung mga walang pangalan? Meron din tayong tinatawag na corresponding angles. Magkasunod. Ito. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. 1 and 5. Sino pa yung corresponding angles? 2 and 6. 4 and 8. 3 and 7. Okay, yun yung tinatawag nating corresponding angles. Meron din tayong tinatawag na interior angles are angles na nasa same side ng transversal. So, si 3 and 5 are called interior angles. 2 and 6 are interior angles also. So, yun po yung mga angles na na-form when a transversal or when a straight line cuts two other straight lines. Mag-intersect. kahit saan man, kahit saang banda sa plane, they will never meet or intersect. So, matatawag mo lang silang parallel lines kung hindi sila magmi-meet ever. Ever. And of course, two line segments are parallel if they lie on parallel lines. So, kapag nasa loob sila ng parallel lines, parallel din sila. So, we have here a theorem on parallel lines and a transversal. Kapag meron daw transversal na kinot ang dalawang lines at yung alternate interior angles nila ay equal, then yung dalawang lines na yon ay parallel. Ulit yun. Kung meron tayong dalawang lines, tapos kinat ng isang transversal, and yung dalawang alternate interior angles like 1 and 2 ay equal, pag na-prove mo na si angle 1 ay equal kay angle 2, then yung dalawang lines L1 and L2 ay ito yung angle 1, ito yung angle 2. Na-prove na natin. Okay. Okay, another theorem sa parallel lines. Okay. Yung ginawa natin kanina, ang tawag natin doon is indirect proof. Okay, it consists in showing that something impossible or contradictory results if the theorem is supposed not true. So, ang ginawa natin is dahil gusto nating ma-prove na parallel yung dalawang lines given na equal ang interior angles. Ang ginawa natin is instead of proving na parallel sila, prove natin na imposible silang maging hindi parallel. Nagets nyo? Kaya siya indirect. So, imbis na i-prove mo na parallel sila, i-prove mo na hindi pwedeng maging hindi parallel. Parang double negation. O di maging parallel. Diba? Since nagiging contradicting yung results, kagaya nga ng ginawa natin, contradicting siya dun sa claim na angle 1 is angle 2, then, imposibleng mangyari yun. At dahil imposibleng mangyari, na-prove mo yung original hypothesis or yung argument. Ang tawag nun is indirect proof. Okay? Another theorem for parallel lines. Again, if two lines cut by transversal have equal corresponding angles naman, then the lines are parallel. So kung kanina, equal yung alternate angles, this time, kapag equal yung corresponding angles, dapat yung lines are parallel. So let's try to prove this. Paano naman natin to ipoprove? So ang given natin is angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Ayan, di ba? Ito, angle 2 and 3 are corresponding angles. Okay? Given ito, nasa theorem natin na pinoprove corresponding angles are equal. So, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Okay? Given naman yan. I-prove natin na line 1 is parallel to line 2. So, i-restate ko lang yung given. Angle 3 is equal to angle 2. Tama. Given po ito. Okay? But, as you can see, angle 3 is equal to angle 1. Diba? Because, anong tawag po dito? Vertical angles. Diba? Vertical angles are equal. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 1. And because angle 3 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 1, then we can say that angle 2 is equal to angle 1. And anong relasyon ng angle 1 and angle 2? Diba? Angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles. At equal sila. At ano yung theorem natin before this? Pag sinabi natin na equal yung alternate interior angles ng dalawang lines cut by transversal, then parallel sila. So yung proof nito, na-prove na natin kanina. So therefore, parang ginamit lang natin yung proof kanina. Therefore, yung given na are if two lines, yung theorem na if two lines cut by transversal have equal corresponding angles, the lines are parallel ay na-prove na. Gets? Ulitin ko. Since angle 3 is equal to angle 2, given po ito. And angle 3 is equal to angle 1, vertical angles po sila. Ito, equal sila. Then, we can say that angle 2 is equal to angle 1. But what are angle 1 and angle 2? They are alternate interior angles. And na-prove na natin kanina na kapag equal ang alternate interior angles, parallel yung lines. Then, by domino effect, no, by succession, very obvious naman, therefore, na two lines cut by a transversal that have a equal corresponding angles, that has equally corresponding angles, the lines are parallel. Parallel na yung line. Pwede mo rin siyang i-prove in a manner na ganito, if two lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are equal. Then, if you prove mo naman is yung angle naman ang prove. Okay. So, but kahit anong paraan man, ang kailangan natin makuha dito sa theorem na to na sa dalawang parallel lines cut by a transversal, their corresponding angles, angle 3 and 2 are equal. Okay? So, dalawa na. Dalawa na yung theorem natin sa parallel lines cut by transversal. Una, para maging parallel, or kung parallel yung dalawang lines, yung alternate interior angles nila equal. And kung equal yung alternate interior angles, equal din yung corresponding angles. Bakit? Kasi vertical lines si 3 and vertical angles si 3 and 1. Okay, another theorem. If two lines cut by a transversal have the sum of the interior angles on one side of the transversal equal to two right angles or 180 degrees, the lines are parallel. Yan. So, kung yung sum daw ng angle 1 and angle 4 dito ay 180 degrees. Okay, I'm sorry. Pag yung sum daw ng angle 4 and angle 2, kasi ang sinasabi niya dito is interior angles on one side of the transversal. Ito yun. Angle 4 and angle 2 are interior angles on the same side or on one side of the transversal. At kapag yung angle 4 plus angle 2 ay nag-equal sa 180, parallel line, parallel yung L1 and L2. Okay. How do we prove this? So, given that angle 4 plus angle 2 equals to right angles or 180 degrees, prove daw natin na si L1 ay parallel kay L2. Paano natin i-prove? What are the proofs? Diba? Angle 4 is supplementary to angle 1. Kasi they form a straight line. Okay, sinabi na natin to kanina or may theorem na tayo kanina regarding this na if two angles has a sum of 180, then they form a straight line. Or kung they form a straight line, then their sum is 180 or they are supplementary. And so since angle 4 is supplementary to angle 1, then angle 4 plus angle 1 equals, angle 1 equals 180 degrees. And since angle 4 plus angle 2 given na 180 degrees din, then angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay? Pinrove na natin to kanina. Di ba? If two angles are supplementary to the same angle, then the two angles are equal. Okay. And obviously naman, as you can see naman, si angle 1 and angle 2 naman dito ay alternate interior angles. So, na-prove mo din, na-prove na rin natin kanina na equal nga ang alternate interior angles. And since they are equal, yung angle 2 is supplementary din kay angle 4 dahil si angle 4 ay supplementary kay angle 1. So, yun na po yung proof. No? So, kung meron kang line dito, tapos meron kang point, kung magdadaan ka ng isang line, ay kung gagawa ka ng line na parallel to that line and dadaan sa point na to, isa lang yung line na yon. Okay? Kasi kung dadaan ka na in other way, magkakaroon na ng angle yun at may intersect niya na. Kahit gaano pa yung kaliit na angle, kahit halos hindi na siya mukhang parallel, mag-intersect pa rin niya yung line. Or sa madaling sabi, isa lang na line ang parallel sa other line na dadaan sa certain point. Wala nang ibang line na pwedeng dumaan sa point na yun na magiging parallel dun sa other line. So that is all for this video. So on the rectilinear figures, meron pa tayong susunod na mga theorems or other videos under rectilinear figures. But for now, hanggang doon na lang muna tayo. So I hope meron kayo natutunan. And if you have any clarifications or questions, feel free to DM me or message me sa Messenger and mag-comment po sa Google Classroom. So, thank you for watching and listening. Happy learning.